So the customer asking about trans temps and like setting up the sort of dash on here. We've probably done this like video before, but we'll do it again. First step, obviously, plug your OBD2 port in above your pedals down here. So the 200 series. Join it. Password's 1234. Okay, it'll come up over here. Doesn't have to go green. Don't worry about it going green. The way that it's just designed, it's all good. Go on to car scanner, settings, connection. Select device under Bluetooth, OBD2, that's the one. Choose connection profile. This is the Toyota 200 series, so we're going to use Toyota 2010 Plus with CAN support. That should hopefully be the one. I'm not actually too sure what year this is, but I think that would cover even like earlier ones. This first step here is it's saying, okay, can I connect to the adapter, which is the OBD2 dongle you just plugged in. Here it's plugged in just above my feet, up under here. It'll pretty much always be in that sort of area. So it's saying, yes, I can connect to that, all happy. Now it's connected to the ECU. Yep, connect to the ECU, all happy. Sorry, and we'll go back here. Now, if you go all sensors, this is showing all the data that's coming in. Now this customer was asking about ATF. You can see a few are coming in. So there's two sensors on a Toyota normally. There's a pan sensor and there's like an outlet sensor. So that's those two. So I want to remember 9 and 12. You don't have to put both of these in there. I'll probably just choose one. I'll just use 12 as the higher one. We'll just use that. He also was asking about EGT or something, which I don't think this pulls it up. I don't even know if the sensor's here or what, so I'm not too sure there. So we'll go into the dashboard anyway, and we'll sort of set this up for him. You can choose what you either want or what you want to have. There's a few different options there, but for example, if we just use this one, if I go settings, I might just do this. I might just go delete page, so I'm getting I'll get rid of these extra ones. Delete page, just leave this main page here, and then what I actually do is I think you double tap on the gauge. Yep. This one doesn't have to be big, but I'm going to change this one to ATF. If you remember, I think I said 9, hopefully. Yep, that's got some data coming in. And then what you can actually do down here is you can also set the alarm. So, change color when it exceeds a sort of like a threshold. So you could put, I don't know, like 90 degrees in here. And you can also put plays, like sound. Now you want it to play sound because like then if it's happening in the background, it's going to go beep, 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 and you know what that's going to do. You can read through all of these and the options are fairly straightforward, but we are going to, that's the only thing we really want to do. So you'd only really want to do change color when a valve, so like put like a number in there, so like 80. What I'll do, I'll chuck the caravan on or do whatever you're going to do, like tow it around, see where it like normally sits. Probably put that maybe 7 degrees above that temperature, or you can decide, and then turn the play sound on. So now we have ATF coming in here, and like so coolant temp was already coming in and speed coming in. But if you didn't want that to be speed, you could double tap on there and you click on this sensor, and you can make it be anything you want it to be. Again, here you can't see if any sort of data is coming through. So that's why I like to use the other page, the all sensors page, and you can see which data is actually coming in. But for example, that is just that all set up like so. Back, that all sensors page is what I was talking about to set the data, because not all of these going to have data coming in. For example, if one something doesn't like, fuel use is a different one, but a calculated boost is a different one as well. But there's some here that aren't going to have like data coming in, like some of these sort of, because the ATF ones for a different car. But that's basically how you do that. The only other handy things to do it in settings, connection, there's a couple. Connect on launch, you can do that. Open dashboard after connecting. That just means it's going to go like pop 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 when you first open it up. You don't have to kind of do everything. So that's that. A little video there on the OBD2 and setting up the trans temp.